Welcome to Home of Deliciousness. Today we'll be having yam and egg sauce. Into a pan, I added some vegetable oil. Once the oil was hot, I added my chopped onions. I let it cook for 1 minute. I now went ahead and added my chopped tomatoes. Next, I added some habanero pepper. You can actually use any pepper of your choice. And again, the pepper is optional just in case if you don't like spicy food. I added some chicken seasoning, but you can actually add other seasoning if that's how you like your egg sauce. But I just like mine with just chicken seasoning. I covered and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. It was now time to add the eggs. What I like about yam and egg sauce is that not only is it easy and quick to make, it's also so tasty. I gave it a quick stir and covered it to cook on medium heat. Make sure to occasionally check on your egg sauce so it doesn't burn. Let me know in the comment section, how do you like your egg sauce? The egg sauce is ready. As you can see, it's not dry and it's not too watery. So that's how you want your egg sauce. Okay, now we're going to prepare the yam. We're going to start by slicing them and then cut them into pieces. Next, we're going to peel off the skin. I washed the yam, put it inside a pot, added some water and a little salt. The salt part is optional. Cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. once the yam was ready, I went ahead and drained the water. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.